If you suffer from constipation, this video is very useful for you. So, let's get to the video. First of all, you need to change your daily diet. The first thing you should include in your meals is figs and raisins. Eat 1 fig and 11 raisins twice daily, in the morning and evening. Additionally, consume mostly vegetables in your meals. Secondly, you need to adjust your water drinking routine. Drink 2 glasses of water every morning and 2 glasses of water at 5 p.m., until the constipation is resolved. The remaining 6 glasses can be consumed at any time during the day, totaling 10 glasses. Note: drink water regularly 1 hour after meals. It is essential to drink at least 10 glasses of water daily. Water helps dissolve nutrients such as vitamins and minerals, allowing them to be absorbed by the body. Drinking water with meals can weaken digestion because it dilutes the stomach's digestive juices. After dinner, eat a plate of papaya. All fruits except bananas are beneficial for constipation, especially guava, pear, and papaya. Eat 250 grams of grapes daily for 4 to 5 days, and during this time, stick to fruits only. This will help speed up bowel movements. In case of severe discomfort, fast for 4 to 5 days and drink only water mixed with lemon and honey. Continue to drink water and fruit juices. Soaking dried plums in water overnight and drinking the syrup in the morning also helps cleanse the intestines. After fasting, consume small amounts of raw vegetables, fresh fruits, and porridge, chewing them well. By adopting this routine, you can overcome constipation.